My name is Ayala Johnson Famakde. Um, I'm a support worker. I've been working as a support worker and a care assistant for over 6 years. I've worked in different care home. I've worked in a care home. I've worked as a domiciliary care, and presently I'm working in a supported accommodation as a support worker. I have level three in health and social care presently, and I'm very passionate about this job. I love taking care of people, looking after vulnerable people. I love taking care of them, looking after them. So that's why I'm passionate about this job, and I wish to grow to the level of management in this field. That is the reason why I'm applying for level 5. That is the reason why I'm applying for level 5, and I'll be grateful if my application is considered for level 5. Thank you.